My deepest desire is to commit and reunite with you. My instincts tell me that I have known you since a many past life, from last few months. I am going through restless nights, missing your presence in my life more than ever. I am feeling the void in my heart space. Honestly, I am learning a lot through my past and current situation. I am breaking free from the patterns which hold me back from giving you commitment. I feel proud to see you independent, confident, and held. I just want you to be happy and successful. I want to restore and rekindle this connection. I realized the worth of your love and presence in my life after we got separated. Thank you for watching.